Hey everyone, and welcome. So today, we're going to talk about two terms you hear thrown around all the time: AI native and AI powered. I know. They sound almost exactly the same, and it can get pretty confusing. But don't you worry, we're going to clear it all up. So let's just get right to it. Are these just fancy buzzwords that tech companies use to sound cool, or is there a real, actual difference between them? Well, the answer is a big yes. There's a huge difference, and once you get it, you'll see where all of this tech stuff is heading. All right, let's make this super simple. I want you to think about a car. An AI-powered tool, that's like a GPS navigation system you plug into your car. It's super helpful, right? But an AI-native service, well, that's the car's electric engine. It's not just some helpful gadget. It's the very thing that makes the whole car go. Okay, so now we're going to break down the 5 biggest ways that the engine and the navigation are completely different. And by the end of this, it's all going to click, I promise. First up, how it's built. An AI-powered feature is kind of like an afterthought. It's added on later. You know, you already have a car, and then you decide to plug in a GPS. But an AI-native service, it's built around the AI from the very start. You can't just build an electric car and then decide to add the engine later, right? The engine is the whole point. Number 2, what's the AI's actual job? In an AI-powered system, the AI is basically your helper, your assistant. The GPS tells you, hey, turn left here, but you still have to actually turn the wheel and drive the car. In an AI-native system, the AI is the one doing the work. It's the engine that's literally pushing the car forward. It doesn't just give you advice, it takes action. Okay, on to number 3, how it uses data. An AI-powered tool uses data for just one little job. Your GPS uses map data to find one address, and that's it. But an AI-native system, it treats all data like fuel. Just like an engine burns gas to move, this AI uses every bit of information to learn and get smarter all the time. The more you use it, the better the engine runs. And that leads us right into number 4. How does it get better? With that AI-powered GPS, yeah, the map might get an update with new roads, but the car itself, it's still the same car. With an AI-native service, the entire thing gets smarter. The whole engine actually evolves and gets more powerful the more people use it. It's constantly growing. And finally, number 5, what's its real value? An AI-powered feature is a nice add-on. I mean, your car drives just fine without a GPS, doesn't it? But an AI-native system is the absolute core of the service. It's the engine. You can't have an electric car without the electric engine. If you take away the AI, the service just disappears. It has no purpose. So let's just quickly sum that up. The big difference is this. Are we talking about a helpful little add-on like the navigation, or are we talking about the engine that runs the entire show? One helps you do a task, and the other one is the task. That's really the heart of it. Okay, so that's the big idea. But what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's check out a few examples you probably already know, or even use every day. First, let's look at the engines. A perfect example is Tesla. Every single Tesla on the road is collecting data and sending it back, using it as fuel to make the self-driving AI smarter for every single driver. The AI is the engine of that feature. Or think about ChatGPT. If you take the AI model out of ChatGPT, well, there's literally nothing left. That is as AI native as it gets. Now, what about those navigation systems? Well, think about a fun filter on your phone's camera. Your camera app works perfectly fine without it, right? But the AI filter is just a cool, fun extra that makes your pictures look better. Or how about a summarize button in your chat app? The app's main job is sending messages. That little summary is just a helpful add-on. That's AI-powered. So you might be thinking, okay, engine, add-on, I get it, but why does this actually matter? Well, it's a really big deal because the whole world is shifting away from just adding on AI features to building everything from the ground up around an AI engine. And this is going to change a lot of things for all of us. So here are 3 huge changes you can expect to see. First, the way we use our tools. We're going to stop clicking through a million menus and just start talking to our technology, telling it what we want in plain English. Second, it's going to change our jobs. The boring, repetitive stuff will be handled by AI, which means human skills like creativity and big picture thinking will become way more valuable. And third, even how businesses work will change. Imagine not paying for a piece of software, but instead paying for the results that the AI gets for you. This all points to a brand new role for us. As the AI becomes the engine that does all the heavy lifting, we get to become the orchestrator. You know, like a conductor who leads a whole orchestra. Our job won't be to play every instrument, but to guide the AI to create something incredible. So yeah, we're officially entering the AI native era. It's a time where our technology is being completely reimagined and rebuilt around these incredibly powerful new engines. So the next time you hear someone say AI-powered or AI native, just remember our car. One is just a helpful map you can plug in. But the other is the very soul of the machine. It's the engine that makes the whole thing run. And that really leaves us with one big question. As our entire world gets rebuilt around these AI engines, what role are you going to play? Are you going to be someone who helps build the next great engine? Or will you just be using the map? Thanks so much for joining me.